Hello, my fellow cinephiles. Prepare for a smorgasbord of cringe-worthy parenting antics and heartfelt moments, dished out in generous portions in the movie we're dissecting today, The Breadwinner. Ah, yes, the title that sounds a lot like a reality show about a competitive baker, but is actually a family comedy starring stand-up sensation Nate Bargatze and the ever-delightful Mandy Moore. Now, Bargatze's character, Nate Wilcox, is a guy who's been cruising down the highway of life, blissfully unaware of the domestic chaos that's about to slam him head-on. Our hero, or shall we say our anti-hero, is tossed into the deep end of parenting when his wife Katie, played by Moore, lands a mind-blowing deal on Shark Tank. A hilariously accurate portrayal of the modern entrepreneurial dream, if you ask me. The premise of The Breadwinner is a delightful twist on the old switcheroo trope. We've seen the workaholic mom and clueless dad narrative before, but what makes this film a comedic gem is its relentless pacing and chaotic energy. It's like watching a slow-motion car crash. You just can't look away. Bargatze, making his feature film debut, is a revelation. He channels his stand-up persona into a character that's endearing, hilarious, and frustratingly clueless all at once. And Moore, well, she's just a delight. Her character's absence serves as the centrifugal force that spins the comedy into overdrive. Now, I won't spoil the fun, but let's just say that Nate's attempts at parenting are as smooth as a gravel road. His journey from clueless breadwinner to an albeit clumsy but devoted stay-at-home dad is both entertaining and heartwarming. It's like watching a toddler learning to walk. There are bumps and there are bruises, but you can't help but cheer him on. The script is packed with punchy one-liners and sharp banter that keeps you chuckling, if not belly laughing, throughout the movie. The situational humor is expertly crafted, and the comedic timing is on point. The daughters, though I won't spoil their characters for you, are absolutely integral to the comedy and utterly steal the show in their own right. But The Breadwinner isn't just about the laughs. There's a real heart to this movie, a genuine exploration of the trials and tribulations of modern parenthood. It doesn't shy away from showing the messiness of family life, the everyday chaos that parents, particularly stay-at-home dads, often contend with. So, in conclusion, The Breadwinner is a delightful romp through the minefield of parenting, with a hearty dose of comedy and a dash of real-world chaos. It's a film that talks parenting, laughs parenting, and above all, loves parenting, warts and all. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to double-check if my parenting skills are any better than Nate's. Spoiler alert, they probably aren't.